Io vieni subito. We've got vodka, borscht, and caviar. The kids are just eating ragu. I don't want to show faces. You can see my face.
Chi ha avuto l'idea, Tyra? Salvo te, se sono sicuro che io sia.
This is, I guess, the center square in Udine where I live. And they have a kind of Christmas market here right now. That is the church. Actually, that's a very nice church inside as well. This is what the market looks like. Ciao, Enrico. My camera ran out of batteries. But it's really nice today. That's someone's balcony up there. So this piazza is called San Giacomo. This shop sells handmade stuff. It's beautiful and old. There's toys there, kitchen stuff.
I told her to come here, and then she said, "Oh, my husband is looking for." Sai tutte queste cose. Mi rende conto che la fortuna.
Your typical Italian cafe. They actually did a lot for Christmas this year. Ciao. In front of Swarovski. So cute, but he is. No? They're doing a little Christmas choir. Alberto gave us a present, sorry, with my phone. Wait.
This is a great present.
What did we get?
It's the best tappo for the bottles, you know?
So you airtight close the wine bottles.
You use the pump, you keep away the air from the bottle.
Yeah, so it creates an airtight seal all over the wine bottles, keeps your wine fresh. We have some red wine. I have a red sparkling wine and this is aperitivo time, so. You see Kurt Cobain there. These are like the things, like we already ate this one, that come with the drinks and traditionally you eat. Like in Spain, how they do tapas, they have these tortine. He's making a special cocktail. We're in a different place because we changed places, which is normal in Italy to do as well. Lampone, che cos'è? Mirtilli, it's like berries. Forgot. Red berries. Raspberries, that's what it is. It's raspberry and Sambuco syrup essence or whatever, and Prosecco. See? And Prosecco. And he's making a special cocktail. So we changed places because we're doing the aperitivo, which means it's like tapas in Spain. It's good to change places, change the environment. do different things. So if you're looking for a good Italian wine in Canada, you can go to LCBO, which is the liquor shop of Canada, where you get most of your liquor, and go for the Mionetto Prosecco. And that's what I recommend in LCBO for a sparkling white wine. And it's good, trust me. Okay, now we have the prosciutto, and this is not prosciutto, it's another thing, I forgot what it's called, but it has more fat in it, and cheese in the middle. This is the street where most of the bars are. Not only down this street, but also down that way, and we're actually in front of some bars that are very popular. And look at all the people are, they're here for Christmas Eve to meet friends. And tomorrow is traditionally Christmas lunch with the family. This is another bar in Udine. Maybe the most expensive, posh kind of bar that they have here. With live music at least every weekend, I'm not sure if every day. Round circle, there's a couple kissing there. It's a small town, so it just takes 5 to 10 minutes, honestly, to walk all around. This is Piazza Libertà. They have, what is his name? Remus?
The Duomo, yeah.
No. Questi uomo. Remus.
This is the Venetian.
This is the other one. They're kind of like the mascots of the city Udine, which was Venetian. We live near Venice, but this is the province of Friuli. Actually, province of Udine, region of Friuli. This is the old city hall where they were singing.
Beautiful, eh?
Little video too. We're inside. Ciao, mi amore. This is a Venetian.
This is a Venetian.
Yeah, bene.
Dai anche un bicchiere di gasata per piacere.
A Venetian style bar with Venetian style tapas. What's it called, the tapas? Cicchetti. Venetian style. It's like tapas, but it's a Venetian aperitivo. Here we are.